Hello guys, good day. So welcome once again to my channel, and we are now on learning session 4. Now the discussions or the theories are already been discussed for this learning session, and we are now on the exercises. Okay, so the purpose of exercises is to enhance our skill or also what we have learned, okay, on the discussions. Okay, so for this example, guys, or sorry, exercises, we have 10. So I named that one. Okay, so I named that one 4A. Exercise 4A to, I think, for I. Okay, for I. So there are 10 exercises. Then I will make, or I will try to redraw uh one or two exercises. Then the remaining exercises will be done by yours. Okay, so you will create or redraw the exercises to your drawing file, and you can email that one to me. Okay, so that I will check the drawings. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so let's go to our AutoCAD application. Okay, so let's save this one. This is from my previous one. My previous, this is revision cloud. So let's save this one. This editing tools cloud. Okay. Okay, so let's create a new one. Okay, so let's choose the AutoCAD ISO. Okay, so when you are drawing or when you are recreating the exercises that I have put on this presentation, so you have to observe the object, guys. Okay. So try to analyze what are the objects. Okay, so the objects uh, on a certain object. So like this one, you have circle, you have this arc, one arc, arc, and this one is arc. Also, we have line, then arc. Okay, then small circles. Then this one is a semicircle. Okay, so the details are here. So we will just follow this one. Okay, so let's try that one. First thing is you need to make a reference line for the objects. So for me, I will type L. So I will create a line. So I will click the ortho mode so that the line will be straight. So that is my objective, to align, okay, the objects. Okay, so now I will, okay, sorry. I will create this circle first. This one. Okay, so this one, the radius, or sorry, the diameter is 50. Okay, so let's create a circle. It has a diameter of 50. Okay, okay. Then this one is 50, diameter 50. And this one, this big circle, has a diameter or the radius of 50. Okay, so create a circle. It has a radius of Okay, so that one. Okay, so we have a line. So this line. So, okay, so this line. From here to here, you have 95. So let's create one. So you can create a new line. You will just delete the long line. So let's 95. Okay, so you can check the length. So that's okay. So that one. So you can delete the guide. So that will serve as the guide. Okay. So this is the end of the line. So as you can see, so you will create a circle here. Okay, circle. So let's create a circle. So radius of 11. Okay, so that one. Then a line of 43. Okay, so you can 43. Okay, that's 11. So there are many ways to draw or to. Okay, so let's create circle again and reduce. Okay, so that one. Delete this one. Okay, so this one circle, the center is this one. So we have same. So 25. So let's try. So 25. Now let's delete necessary or lines TR for trim. Delete this one. So for this one, we create a line. So this is 146. Tangent, tangent. Draw circle. Tan. So this one. Tangent over 6. Okay, so that one. So they have the same. Draw circle and tan reduce because it says further is reduce. And tan 146. Okay. Next is you have to select this one, TR, delete and delete. Okay. So that's already checked. So you side. So TR side. Okay. I hope you follow guys what I've been doing. So I'm using the keyboard during the drawing. So I discussed that one my previous learning sessions. I think we are half on the figure. Okay, so this one. Next is we have to make this array. So okay, so first is we have to make a circle with a radius of 38. Okay, so let's create circle. So radius of 30. Okay, so this is the path that needs to be followed. Okay, so this is guide, guys. This is only guide to trim. Okay, I use the line as guide to delete this one. Okay, okay, so we have to 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 so now if you can change that so we can enter that center line based on previous. Now we have to load center to okay. So center okay. So that one. So double click set the that one to current. But we can click this one. Sorry. So this is not. We can click this one to assign to certain layer center line. Okay. So as you can observe changes. So we have to set this one to per okay. So okay. So next is we have to create a circle. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the diameter is 10. So let's create 10. Okay. So for that one, we will make an array. Array. So we use a path array. Select path curve. So this one. Okay. But we have 5. So we need items. Items along path. So let's cancel this one. Rows. Enter number of rows or so one. is that. So let's let's try. So let's cancel. Let's try the for this one. Use path, select objects, select. So let's try. Select. So let's check the properties align submission. So divide. So but 5. So let's check. Okay, so that's it. So let's draw. Okay, so I think I am wrong in my circle. It's big. Okay, so let's redraw. Let's try to delete this one. Radius is 30. I think it's diameter. Okay, so radius is 30. Okay, wait. No, diameter is 10. So diameter. Okay, so that's the right one. Okay, so I make circle. Go. So let's go back. Repat. Then we have items for this one. 5. So many. So let's go back. So this is distance. Okay. So 6. Okay, RE. So let's divide first. So I think I set that are select objects, select path, cargo, divide, then for items, the number of path. So that's so 5. Okay, think we are good. So we check the drawing for the object, and I think it's the same with exercise 4A. I hope you follow. So the trick here, or the it as the some items that needs to be we can say difficult is this array, this one. Okay, so it's simple, guys. So yes, you can use array in the path, so you need to draw this one. Okay, so for how many items, you can check the items, you will put 5. Then for the divide, so you can divide the arrays. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, for exercise 4A, check that. So we are now on 1 minute. Okay, so this is exercise 4A. Okay, so let's go to exercise. So let's save this one. Save this one and name that one. And name this one exercise of 4A. Save. Okay. Next, we have this one. This is exercise 4B. Okay, so let's create another drawing. This one. I think this is my last demo for exercises, and the 8 other will be done by yours, guys. So you will create that one. So after that, okay. Okay. So first is we need to check the drawing or the object. So we can see that there is a half circle, a quarter circle here. Arc, we have a line, a circle, broken circle, line, then a quarter circle. Okay, so that's the object. So that's where you first decide on what you will do. Okay, so first you have to examine the different kind of object into the in the drawing. Okay, so that's the first uh, thing to do. Okay, for this exercise. Okay, so I think okay, let's redraw that one to ortho. So let's create a line, then 105. Okay, this that one. So the radius is 25. So I will just create a 25 line here. Okay, then another 25 here. So I will create a circle. Okay, then trim. So I will trim this one, delete this one. Okay, trim this one. Okay, so Then line here. So okay, so let's try first here because this is unknown line. It's unknown line. So 25. So this we need to extend this line as guide. Okay, so this one is as guide. Then this is 25. So 20. So from here, so we need to locate center point. The center point is not the intersection of these two lines. Okay, 65. Okay, so we need to define this line. Okay, let's delete this one. So 65. Okay, okay, so this is 25. So this is here. They're similar. If they are similar, I think so. Let's try. And 5. Circuit. So this is not good. So let's trim the accessory lines. Okay. Mm. So 65 here, 65, then a circle. So locate this center. So they are similar. So let's so we can just okay. Okay, so that one. But still, something. I will put a circle side, and the space to it. Okay, so this is the circle. That one here. So, so okay, I think that's it. Okay, so that's the thing for exercise for the okay. So we need the two exercises. So this is exercise 4B. I will explain the other exercises. Okay, so this is 4C. Okay, so the objects here is you have line, incline, chamfer. This is chamfer, line, and quarter circle. Okay, so this is 4C. Okay, so you can uh, just pause the video for this one and check the drawing. Okay, so for 4D, this is the one. Uh, Maybe more complex when you see it, but I think that's not very hard to draw because that's composed of lines. Okay, lines with angles. Okay, so this is 4D. Draw this one. Exercise 4D. Okay. Next we have 4E. Okay, so this is 4E. So we have three drawings. Ano? So you can choose either one on the tree. Okay, so don't draw the tree. So choose one only for this exercise. Okay, so this is the drawings. This one, and this one. Choose only one for this exercise. Then, okay, so sorry guys, I need to go to big. Uh, so I will repeat the exercises. Okay, so this is already done. Okay, because when I showed the exercise a while ago, they are small because I used the other scene for that one. This is 4B. This is 4C. Okay, so just post this video to show the drawing. Okay, so we have line. This is chamfer line. Then we have a quarter circle. So you can see the radius and the dimensions. For 4D, so this is the object. So it's complex when you observe, but I think it is more doable than the other because it's only uses lines and angles. So you already know that one, our previous learning sessions on how to use lines and angles in drawings. Okay, so I think this is not hard for you. So this is 4D. And for 4E, we have three drawings. You can choose one only. Okay, so don't draw the three. So choose only one, either on the three. Okay, so this one, you have a semicircle here, circle, a line with angle, we have circle. Okay, or you can draw this one. Small circle, big circle, and this arc or these lines. Okay, with angles. For F, so this is the one. So more circles, circles. Okay, this is for F. Okay, so you can just you can pause the video so that you will see the drawings. So the technique for this one, guys, is just locate the objects. In a certain object, there are combined certain shapes. Example, circle, arc. Okay, so like this one, we have circle, and we have a circle here. So you can trim if you draw a circle here, big one, draw big this circle here, then this one, just trim the unwanted lines. Okay, so that you can create this one. Okay, so this is the reference you need to draw this line. These are the dimensions. Okay, okay. Next is the 4G. Okay, so this is the next exercise. This one is array only. Okay, so you will create a path here, then use the editing array tool. Okay, so that you can create circles on the path. Okay, you can use path array for this one. So there are dimensions, and this is the diameter of the holes. Okay, okay, so that's for 4G. Okay, so for 4H, this is the exercise for 4H. Okay, so this one. So you have big circle, then just this is another circle. You will just delete the unwanted lines here so that you will create this one. You can create that one. Okay, so this is an object composed of circles and arcs. Okay, so you can push uh, this one so that you can visualize the exercise. Okay, okay, next we have for I. I think this one is the last one. No, no, J. Okay, so we have J. So this is second to the last. Okay, so this is for I. Okay, so observe before I. Okay, so this is composed of also of circles, circle, big circle, big circle. This one is the circle for this one. And arc, arc, semicircle, semicircle, and center line. Okay, so that's for 4I. Okay, so I will give maybe a few seconds so that you can visualize the exercise of 4I. Okay, so just think of the way. So there are many ways to draw that one. There are many methods to draw. So just use the dimensions on the object. Okay, so that's for 4I. Then for 4J, so this is 4J. So you can choose either of the two. So you can choose this one or this one. So it depends on your taste in drawing. If you want a bigger drawing, so you can choose this one, or smaller, choose this one. Okay, so for this one, you have incline, semicircles, line, semicircle, incline, straight line, straight line, straight line. Okay, I think this is much easier than this one. Depends on your taste, guys. Okay, so this is the last exercise for learning session 4. So I did the exercise A and B. So just continue the exercise C to J. Okay, to I think this is for your own good, guys, so that you will learn techniques and basics on AutoCAD. Okay, so I think that's all for this learning session, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you will do a good job on these exercises. Okay, so thank you.